The dictionary definition of enabler is to make something possible or feasible. When you attempt to make the lifestyle change from work into retirement, there are 3 retirement change process enablers. They are finance, fitness, and fun. The purpose of the retirement enabler of finance is to enable you to have enough money to support your anticipated retirement lifestyle from the date you retire to the date you expire. The purpose of the retirement enabler of fitness is to enable you to have the mental and physical health capability to fully enjoy your anticipated retirement lifestyle. And finally, the purpose of a retirement enabler of fun is to enable you to enjoy your anticipated retirement lifestyle to the fullest. These enablers will have a direct impact on the success of your retirement lifestyle. For example, your actual retirement lifestyle will be directly impacted by how much money you have. Your fitness level will impact what you can do in your actual retirement lifestyle, and your ability to have fun in retirement will impact how you enjoy your actual retirement lifestyle. Now let me introduce you to the retirement wobbly stool theory that will also help illustrate how these 3 retirement enablers will impact your overall retirement. A 3-legged stool needs all its legs for it to be effective. Think of these retirement enablers as the individual legs on a 3-legged stool. If one of the stool's legs is weak or is missing, it will be wobbly or fall over. Likewise, if any of your retirement enablers is weak or missing, your retirement may fail. For example, you can have the best retirement financial situation in the world, but if you do not have your fitness or health, you may not be able to enjoy all the results of your good financial planning. If you are bored in retirement, having adequate finances may make the boredom more tolerable, but overall you still may not be enjoying retirement. Keep in mind the retirement wobbly stool theory. If one of the retirement enablers is weak or missing, it will negatively impact your overall anticipated retirement lifestyle. This is a listing of additional YouTube videos on how to successfully make the lifestyle change from working to retirement. These retirement lifestyle educational videos are based on the book How to Successfully Make the Lifestyle Change from Working to Retirement. The book is available on eBay and Amazon.